Go to Layer, New, Solid. Name it Displacement. Add the turbulent noise effect to the displacement layer. Change the noise type to block. Contrast to 1640. Brightness to -29. Complexity to 1. Under Evolution Options, alt-click and press the random seed stopwatch. Type in the expression time times 10. Turn the displacement layer off. Add the displacement map effect to the text layer. Change the displacement map layer to displacement. Turn on effects and masks. Change the horizontal and vertical displacements to luminance. Change the horizontal displacement to 38. Preview the animation. Final touches are optional. Duplicate the layer twice. Trim the layers on the timeline. Delete the displacement map effect from the first and third layer. Now preview the animation. Subscribe for more tutorials.